How to pin a chat on Viber. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pin your number one friend on top of your chat. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, tap open the Viber app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside your Viber, choose any of your friends or any contact that you want to pin. Now long press for a few seconds. Now a pop-up menu will appear on your screen with various of features. All you have to do is click on pin to the top. As you can see, now your chat is pinned into the top with a pin icon. And that's how you can pin your contact or your friend on Viber. Isn't it super simple? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.